Hi kids, I want to show you how to export your product that you've been working on. Regardless of what product you're working on, you've always got to be able to export it, to render it, or finalize your film. So you've got your timeline down here. Notice that when I click inside of it, you get the blue line all the way around it. That's activating that window. It's like activating my essential graphics. If I wanted to drag in something, I'd have to activate it first. Or my program window, or my source window, my effects, my audio, whatever I do, I have to click there in order to activate it and use it properly. So in this case, activate your timeline. You're going to go to Control M on your keyboard, or you can go to File, Export, Media. You'll get your export setting here. Remember here you want to set H.264. This is the best compressed codecs for YouTube. It's highly compressed. This is something that we always use because we most always export everything to YouTube. Come down and you have to set your preset to YouTube 1080p Full HD. Now this is important. If you're not doing this step or you don't understand it, watch closely. Under your output name, you must click on this blue line and notice it will pop up. It's asking you essentially, where do you want to put your finished product? Obviously, because you're working in Premiere Pro and you have a product or an assignment, you're supposed to name your assignment. In this case, I'm going to call it the PSA, okay? You come down here, you name your file for what it is, such as PSA, your last name, your assignment name, your last name, and then your period name, okay? So you take that and you say save, and then you hit export. And once this file is completed rendering, you know that you can go to your student folder, exactly where you said you were going to put it, and it'll show up right here. Okay? It's that easy. Thank you. I hope you've learned something.